Welcome to JH. Today, I'll show you how to generate a plagiarism report using Grammarly in under 5 minutes. Whether you are a student or a professional writer, verifying the uniqueness of your content is vital. Let's walk through this straightforward procedure together. Start by heading over to the Grammarly website. For those unfamiliar, Grammarly is a powerful writing tool that improves clarity and tone while offering a specialized plagiarism detection feature, which is our focus today. Once on the site, you need to log in. If you are a returning user, select the I have an account option or simply click the login button. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is a great idea to access all available tools. After hitting login, provide your registered email address and press continue. This action brings you to your personal dashboard titled My Grammarly. Here, you will find your recent projects. Choose the specific file you want to scan. If you haven't added your text yet, click New Document to paste or type your content directly into the editor. With your file open, locate and click the Check for AI Text and Plagiarism option. This triggers an analysis against billions of web pages to find any matches. Depending on your document size, this may take a moment, so please wait. Once finished, your results and an overall score will appear, highlighting any sections flagged for potential issues. It is wise to examine these findings carefully. To get a full copy of these findings, click the Download PDF Report button. This creates a PDF file with a thorough summary of the plagiarism check that you can save or share. That is the simple way to obtain your report. Keeping your work original is key, and this tool makes it easy. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful guides.